Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
My name is Melin Puspita Dewi, NPM 1911040394, and here I will tell a story entitled Knives Out. This movie is a mystery genre movie directed by Rian Johnson. Knives Out tells the story of the Trombi family who don't care for each other, then the legacy that will be inherited by Harlan Trombi. However, on the night of his 85th birthday, he was found dead. So, died because of what, Harlan Trombi? Was it murdered or was it suicide? Well, before starting this story, let's find out the members of the Trombi family. The first is Harlan Trombi. He is the head of the family. Harlan is the author of many famous mystery books. Harlan has three children. There's Linda, Harlan's eldest daughter, then Johnny, his sister-in-law. Johnny still lives at Harlan's house, even though the son of Harlan he married has died 15 years ago. Then the last, Walt, Harlan's youngest son. Linda has been married with Richard and has a son named Ransom. Then Johnny has a daughter named Meg, and Walt has been married with Donna, and he has a son named Jacob. Apart from family members, there's also friend, a maid, and also Martha, Harlan's nurse, who is very close to Harlan, and is always be a place for Harlan to tell stories. That day, on the night of Harlan Stormby's 85th birthday, all family members, then Fran and Martha, gathered at Harlan's house and had a party to celebrate it. But the next day, Harlan was found dead in his room. According to the police, the chronology of events before Harlan's death was like this. The party ended at 11:30 p.m. After that, Martha takes Harlan upstairs to take his medicine. When going to Harlan's room, which is on the top of floor, there are stairs that must be paced. The stairs will crack if someone crosses them. Then beside that staircase is Linda's room, where Linda is very easy to wake up, so if anyone passes the stairs, then she will find out. Linda first woke up because Johnny went to Harlan's room after hearing a sound like an object falling. At that time, Harlan was with Martha, and Harlan said that he dropped the Go game board and told Johnny to come back to her room. 10 minutes later, Linda woke up again when Martha was going home. It was right at midnight. After that, 15 minutes later, Linda woke up for the third time because Harlan came down to get the snacks. This is known because Walt saw Harlan's silhouette at the time. Based on the chronology of the incident, the estimates of Harlan's death are at 12:15 and 2 in the morning. Before his death, Harlan is known to have argued with several members of his family. First, Walt. Harlan and Walt argue over the issue of publishing Harlan's book, which is held by Walt. Besides that, Harlan also fired Walt from being the publisher of his book at that night. Then Richard. Linda's husband also argued with Harlan because Harlan knew that Richard was cheating on Linda and said that he would tell Linda about it. Next up, Johnny. Johnny argues with Harlan because Harlan finds out that Johnny's corruption. She doubling her daughter's school fees to fulfill her luxurious lifestyle, so Harlan decides to finance them. And the last and the last person to argue with Harlan was Ransom, son of Linda. He had he and Harlan argued in a room a little far from where the other people were, so the others didn't hear what they were arguing about. But Jacob heard two things from their debate, namely Harlan who said, "My will," and Ransom who said, "I'm warning you." The investigation into the case of Harlan's death. There's a private detective hired by any anonymous person to investigate the case. Detective is called Benoit Blanc. Benoit is a well-known private investigator who solves many difficult cases. Benoit didn't know who hired him to investigate this case because he only found an envelope containing a lot of money and also the torn news of Harlan Drumby's death. Because he felt the case was interesting, he also investigated the case. Benoit thought that there was a possibility that Harlan was killed, but the police assumed that Harlan's death was suicide because the blood splashing was not blocked, which means that no one was with him at the time. So, which opinion is correct? In the middle of the film, it is explained that on the night of Harlan's death, Martha mistakenly injected Harlan with drugs. Martha actually injected 100 milli of a drug labeled morphine, which if he was not given naloxone immediately, Harlan would die within 10 minutes. And at that time, there was no naloxone in Martha's bag because Harlan did not want Martha to be in trouble, so he told Martha to follow Harlan's plan so that Martha was free from accusations if he died. And Martha obeyed Harlan's order because of this scene. Because of this scene, we will think that Martha was the cause of Harlan's death. But what if the drug that Martha injects is the right medicine? Because before that, someone had exchanged the real medicine into a bottle labeled morphine. So Martha is not wrong. But Harlan still kills himself so that Martha doesn't get into trouble. Then, then the one who exchanged the drugs and planned the murder? The person who did that was Ransom, Linda's son. He exchanged the medicine so that it was Martha who would become Harlan's killer for giving the wrong medicine. However, it turns out that Harlan died of suicide, so his plan did not go smoothly. When returning the medicine that he exchanged, Fran, the housemaid, saw Ransom. Because of that, Fran was finally killed by Ransom to cover up his crimes. But unfortunately, before Fran died, he gave a very important clue that he said huge. Huge is the call of the maids to Ransom. Because of this, Detective Benoit realizes who the mastermind is, and Ransom is punished for killing Fran. Okay, that's all the story about Knives Out. Knives Out is an interesting movie. This movie is a fun movie to watch for people who like the mystery genre because we are invited to guess how Harlan could die, commit suicide, or be killed If killed, who is the killer? So this movie is a recommended movie to watch. Maybe that's all from me. I'm so sorry if many mistakes. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Jadi ini gimana nih? Udah selesai.
Lanjut aja yang lain yang mau cerita.
Oh, Isa mau lanjut lagi, silakan nggak apa-apa.
Enggak lah, bukan saya.
Aduh, siapa ge? Ayu mungkin, Ayu udah siap.
Melin. Mel.
Ya,
Yang tadi tuh yang mana yang istrinya?
yang istri siapa?
Yang istri. Kan itu tadi ada anak juga. Tapi nggak ada istrinya. Ayo merhatiin itu dong.
Emang di ceritanya nggak ada istrinya, jadi gimana dong?
Oh tuh Noni bener kan? Berarti istrinya nggak masuk ke cerita.
Aku sama aja. Anaknya 3, tapi nggak ada istrinya.
Terus Marta tadi siapa?
Gimana jadi?
Marta tadi siapa Mel? Tadi ada Marta.
Marta itu perawatnya.
Oh,
Jadi sepanjang cerita dengerin Ayo tuh nggak dengerin cerita.
ya orang ada anaknya 3, terus istrinya kemana kok nggak ada? Berarti istrinya nggak masuk ke cerita.
Itu sih itu ya malah.
Gitarnya nggak ada. Jawabkan yuk.
Itu durasi
Orang main itu tentang ceritanya, bukan nanyain istrinya kemana.
Nggak tahu ya.
durasi film aslinya.
2 jam kalau nggak salah.
Wow.
Karena lama di kayak apa itu? Interogasi ya. Lama diinterogasi nanya-nanyain.
Jujur
Dan
ya.
ada pesan moralnya nggak, Mel?
Apa?
Pesan moralnya apa ya?
Gimana?
Kalau ada
Aduh, hujan deh.
kali aja ada.
Pesan moralnya suruh sabar.
Pesan moralnya
Sabar ya, Mel.
Suruh sabar. Pesan moral.
Ditanya
pesan moralnya adalah jangan serakah sama warisan. Karena kan yang ransom ngebunuh itu karena Harlan mau ngasih semua warisannya sama Marta. Dan dia nggak terima, jadi dia ngebunuh.
Oh, berarti kita orang nggak boleh serakah gitu ya? Serakah gitu
Iya,
nggak boleh.
gitu.
Jadi harus adil gitu ya, satu sama lain gitu.
Amin.
Enggak deh.
Udah sih ini. Gimana lagi?
Melin cerita yang lain aja, masih 1 jam lagi durasinya.
Cerita ya.
Melin kenapa milih ceritanya yang ini? Kenapa nggak yang lain?
Karena aku suka cerita detektif gitu. Dan dia buat penasaran. Jadinya milih ini aja.
Berarti Melin juga suka Conan ya?
Oh
Iya dong. Udah sampai 1001 episode yang itu.
Wow.
seriesnya. Terus filmnya barusan rilis yang ke-24 di bioskop kalau nggak salah.
Wow.
Seru tahu Conan itu.
Yang itu, yang Conan pakai baju putih itu siapa itu? Yang pakai baju putih yang terbang itu siapa? Namanya?
Kaito Kito.
Ya itu. Oh, Kaito Kid. Oh. Ya itu, suka juga saya ngeliat itu.
Lucky cerita.
Iya, Lucky cerita tuh Lucky.
Cerita punya apa ini? Tugas ini speaking.
Iya,
Speaking?
kayaknya
Tugas apa ini? Reading ya, reading. Astagfirullahaladzim, saking banyaknya tugas sampai lupa.
Kita nggak ada speaking. Ada nih. lupa speaking for 3.
Belum, masih nyari gambar ini. Tinggal gambar aja. Susah dari gambarnya. Yang cocok. Soalnya kan bukan film. Seru pokoknya guys. Pasti kalian penasaran. Lihat ya nanti. Saya
Kamu
mau
nyeritain novel.
Iya, dari novel. Jadi saya
Novel
tuh
apa
pengen.
webtoon?
Jadi ada dari kalian gitu yang bersudi yang jadi ceweknya gitu kan. Ada cowok. Jadi pengisi suaranya dubber gitu. Ada dubbernya. Jadi seru gitu. Mungkin ya.
Novel apa judulnya?
Bagus kalau ada dubbernya. Nanti di apa itu? Jadi setelah klimaks itu apa? Klimaks? Iya, conclusion itu loh, yang di akhir itu loh. Ini bagus nanti. Will you marry me? Marry me? Oh my god. Bagus mukanya. Kalian pasti penasaran. Tapi film itu enaknya itu nggak diceritain dulu loh. Kalau diceritain tuh kita orang nggak kita tuh nggak penasaran apa? Nggak jadi penasaran.
Nggak
Itu
juga
malah
sih.
kalau
Saya
saya
setiap
kalau
nonton endingnya duluan yang ditonton. Happy ending atau sad ending. Baru nonton awalnya.
kalau saya mah enaknya lihat konfliknya dulu. Kalau konfliknya itu bagus, kayak
Meli.
Tim spoiler ini.
ya. Ini direkam loh ini. Gila. Dayana mau maju nggak? Itu Dayana. Enggak.
Ya
Sampai
kan,
tahu mintain pantritis gitu kan?
Astaga.
Noni, apa mau cerita gitu non? Silakan non.
Aulia sama itu, Ayu mau cerita.
Belum
Tentang ikatan cinta.
tanya, belum tamat.
Ceritaan sama aku.
Apa ceritain Noni gitu, Noni sama si AA gitu ceritanya nggak apa-apa.
Ini nanti di videonya. Temannya.
Terserah Habibnya.
Ini sih. Apa siapa
Kalau-
yang mau maju lagi?
Cerita ikatan cinta.
Boleh nggak, Wei?
Kan belum tamat. Awal secinta itu ya sama ikatan cinta.
Sebenarnya nggak ada itu ya, ngambil cerita-cerita dari FTV gitu. Bagus loh FTV itu. dari FTV gitu kan bagus itu cerita Indonesia gitu. FTV gitu, masa
FTV itu gitu aja loh.
Iya, tapi ceritanya ngulang-ulang begitu doang. Endingnya udah ketemu. Penthouse ya penthouse.
ketebak gitu. Kalau Indonesia tuh filmnya ketebak gitu ya. Gimana?
Yan inget nggak ya?
Hah?
Suaranya sih. Ketika cinta bertasbih. Gimana lagunya? Bagus loh. Itu lagunya gimana itu? Ketika cinta bertasbih. Gimana itu lagunya? Lupa. Ketika cinta bertasbih hari mulai gitu.
Ya Toki.
Itu loh lagunya ketika cinta bertasbih loh bagus. Mana lagunya? Ketika cinta. Aduh. Putus-putus ya suaranya. Suaranya putus-putus. Nggak kedengeran di sini. Boy. Ini oke. Mereka itu pacaran tapi apa? Tapi apa tuh? Aku nonton mereka itu pacaran tapi terhalang sama bapaknya karena musuhan. Iya. Terus aku nggak tertarik lagi. Oh. Emang kamu tahu deh. Kenapa? Kamu nonton itu aja loh di apa namanya? Ultraman.
Nggak ada di situ.
Ada RTV di RTV.
Nggak ada RTV. Ada nomor. Ini SpongeBob.
Oh, terus?
Yang itu.
Oh sama itu Masya and the Bear itu.
Udah.
Apa
Sudah.
namanya?
Dari tadi.